Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a side light mounting bracket for WeatherGuard headache racks. Let's get into it. All right, this is going to be an accessory for those WeatherGuard headache racks. This is in particular a bracket for mounting lights on the side of those headache racks. Now the thing about the WeatherGuard headache racks is it's got kind of a mounting track built into it, so it makes it really easy to add your accessories, especially things like lights. So right here in the box, it's gonna be pretty simple. We do have two WeatherGuard brackets. So we have some cardboard dunnage to prevent scratching between these two. This is going to be a set of two. We do have our WeatherGuard logo right here. Then we're going to have our mounting hardware as well. Like I mentioned, there is that inset track built into the headache rack. So you're just going to use a slider nut and a bolt to attach this to the side of the rack. We do have two hardware kits, one for each bracket. Now we do have, it's like an installation manual right here. This is going to be for all of the light brackets. They've got one that you can use to mount kind of on the top, center, or wherever you want to put it on the headache rack for, you know, your beacons and things like that. Now, typically, the way that this is going to be mounted on the headache rack, you can do a little demo. You're going to use a square nut, slide into underneath the headache rack, going right here, and then you're going to have your little countersunk bolt to attach it this way. I think there's a little rotating action that happens, and then you've got another mounting point that's going to go into the top. So this is kind of the top right, top left corner on the headache rack that you're going to mount this bracket to, and then you're going to mount your light or whatever you want to right up here. So this is going to be a pretty simple unboxing. Everything that you need for installation, including that guide, torque specs, all of that fun stuff as well. Great thing about WeatherGuard products is they are covered by their lifetime warranty. So you're going to be protected from the long haul from any defects or anything like that. Now, if you're looking for these mounting brackets, any of the accessories, or the WeatherGuard headache racks themselves, we've got everything you need to get your van or truck ready for work at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.